Hi, I'm Riley from SA Water. Today I'll be demonstrating how to safely use a metered hydrant standpipe on an SA Water fire plug. To ensure that there's no damage to the network, this needs to be done slowly and safely. Firstly, you want to make sure that you have all the correct PPE and equipment required to be able to use a metered hydrant standpipe. You want to make sure you have your gloves, the metered hydrant standpipe itself, your valve key, and also the lid lifter. Use the applicable lid lifter to access the fire plug. You want to be mindful of your body position and also for vermin and other animals inside the chamber. When the lid is off, inspect the fire plug for any sharp objects or foreign debris. Once it is clear to do so, you want to carefully remove any debris inside the fire plug throat. Once the fire plug is clear from debris, you want to attach the valve key to the spindle of the fire plug and gently and slowly open up the fire plug to clear any further debris inside the throat. Once you flush the fire plug, you want to slowly turn off the fire plug to ensure nothing goes back into the throat. Once the fire plug's been turned off, you'll want to attach a metered hydrant standpipe. You want to ensure that the lugs are all the way to the bottom of the fire plug and do not over tighten with any type of bar. Once your metered hydrant standpipe is connected, you will slowly want to turn on the fire plug and continue to run the water until it is clear. Once you can see that the water is clear and the dials on your metered hydrant are running as correctly, you will want to turn off your standpipe and then connect your hoses to fill your tankers. Turn the fire plug back on and slowly fill up your tank. When your tanker is full, you'll want to turn off the fire plug slowly, disconnect your metered hydrant and refit the fire plug lid. For more information about metered hydrants, go to sawater.com.au.